Menteri Rangba ka jala u konrad ki sangma menta ka sngi ula ong ba ka sarkar jala kanam penlek no e yakapor bat kan yach kmat Halor ka jingtmu ban penbet no yaw put usam hakin riutli ki jaka ki badang don Hapdeng ka Jingiakren put bat ka jala Assam habai kren bat kilat patai khubor usangma ula ong ba ka sarkar Hapdeng kan saprut thmai yaw put usam jong ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam hadin bladep ban le jurep lang haringkat bat ka tanat survey of India ula ong ba kani kan surlong hadin bladep ka Jingiakren yesuk hakawat ka baar na kabentakin riutli ki jaka ki berangdan Hapdeng ka Jingiakaja.
That is going to put a stamp on this. So based on the surveys now that will be conducted, this is very, very important. I don't think that there has been a more detailed consultation with the stakeholders than what we had done in the last 6 months. So it's quite unfortunate to see opposition bringing this issue up and saying that there should have been stakeholders consultation. So yes, I have been maintaining from day one that it may not be the most perfect solution that everybody in Meghalaya would want, but this is definitely one of the best solutions that we could reach to. And majority of the areas which we had asked for, majority of the areas where our people are there, it has come to Meghalaya. We have taken a decision that we will find a solution, and I'm happy that with the help of the Ministry of Home Affairs and with the cooperation of the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, that we have finally been able to come to this point in the 6 locations, and I'm hopeful that we will be able to move forward in the other 6 locations also.